Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers, and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sofia.
And my name is Francie. It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
Did you know that October is Hispanic Heritage Month? Join us celebrating the Hispanic Heritage Month spirit next week, October 9th through the 13th.
Panther Spanish Club will meet today in room 5207 right after school. Come and enjoy time together as we plan the rest of the semester activities and try some delicious snacks.
A shout out to our JV football team on both of their wins last night in the Jamboree. Good luck to our varsity football team as they travel to Fort Pierce to play Central.
Panthers, our boys and girls swim team are competing away this afternoon. And our boys and girls cross-country team have a meet tomorrow at 7:15 a.m. Good luck to all our sport teams.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!